Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you and I'm going to take you through the update of the top 5 gainers for the day July 6, 2021. As you can see here, our results are showing 14 winning trades out of 38, opportunities equaling 36.8% and a profit if we trade the whole 38 opportunities as $2,628.60 with an average gain of 69.17. Taking you through the calendar, you can see that we had two losing days on Thursday and Friday, but still our top 5 can be really found in those 10 opportunities and 7 opportunities as we highlighted during the updates. Now let me take you through the top 5 for today, or for the day of July 6. You can see here that our top 5, first one was Pfsw, and Pfsw was gapping up, as you can see, and the signal appeared to us actually in 10 minutes. So from 9:30 to 9:40, the signal appeared to us and the profit was made. It is gapping during the pre-market, and here it tested the moving average and the volume weighted moving average, and then it made its upper movement during the opening of the market, and it made our 7% in a duration of 10 minutes, making a gain of between 9.92 and 10.61. Of course, 3,000 shares, and our profit was $2,083.20. Now, AUUD was doing great job actually for the past, and it was one of our long swing picks. On our website you can find it for the subscribers, and yesterday also it made a perfect gain also for us of 7%. Although this signal usually we look at it as a late one, but the entry was correct here, not far away from the moving averages, indicating that it will continue. And the beautiful thing here really is that it happened in less than 10 minutes. So from 7.66 to 8.20 and equivalent to $1,608.30. And that's a sweet one also. Next one is another sweet opportunity that came, and within 3 minutes only. Actually, the market was perfect yesterday, so congrats to the subscribers and the followers, and to everyone who was trading in the market. CBLI was doing great throughout the whole day, and it tested the 7, and then it went down. It wasn't able to hold above it. So our candle was the really exploding one. It's the interesting type of the the consolidation that we really like to have consolidated from the previous day, previous Friday, and then even during the pre-market there was nothing, and then the first 1 hour there was nothing. Then when you see all this consolidation and this type of movement, you will be able to really take opportunity out of it. So congrats to those who made profit out of CBLI. Moving next to DTST, and DTST was also testing the 200 days moving average, so it was a very excellent movement and closure to the gap, previous gap. So it closed the gap and it moved up, and in 1 hour and 40 minutes almost it made to us 7%. The entry was from 1007, which is here. Again, beautiful consolidation. Then it jumped, it gave you the signal, and then it consolidated. Actually, your exit here could be another entry because the consolidation here is good one. So it gave you the signal. It did not go down and hit your stop loss. It was consolidating. If I was trading this opportunity particularly, I will not really stop here only, but I might just watch the break out here and then raise my stop loss or my stop limit, and from here also find an entry until I keep this area in my mind. So that's a good opportunity also. Okay. Next, we have the fifth opportunity, which I will talk in details really. I will talk about it in details because I was watching it on the daily, during the trading, and it made almost 100% from the previous day. Yeah, it closed, I believe, around 4, and then it was about to make the 100%. For us, Bsqr made a profit of less than 10 minutes. And the profit was, of course, 7% from 5.18 to 5.54. But for those who were watching the screener, the subscribers who were watching the screener, noticed maybe the noise that Bsqr was doing on the screener. So from here to here, within one candle, you made your 7%, and you can spend the day also looking at opportunities. The signals were coming many times here. So for the traders, the 5.18 to 5.54, which is equivalent to $1,087.80, was really easy to get. And in addition to that, opportunities similar to this, or maybe even better than, or even double this amount, was easily achievable, really, because it gave you the signal here and the exit, and then I believe it appeared again. It appeared again here, in somewhere here, and then it made another 7% or 8%. Then it went down here, and then I remember that there was another signal towards the end of the market. So from here also another 7%, I believe. So that's perfect, really. So 30% from Bsqr alone. So that's the brief update of today. And of course, those results, you can find them on our website here. For the visitors and free subscribers, it will be only showing a delay of 1 week, but for the subscribers, results will be as real data. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you on today's live streaming, and happy trading, everyone. Bye bye for now.